Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video we are going to go over the pneumatic Ridgid palm nailer. This guy is model number R350PNF palm nailer. It is pneumatic, so air powered like I said, and so for starters, basically you're going to connect your air hose, which we have here. Before we get into that, it does have a depth adjustment, which is this guy here, and it'll spin, and you'll feel it kind of drop in place at all of the preset settings, and you can see there's a flat. As you go this way, it gets less deep. As you go this way, it gets deeper. And so that's really the only setting. Otherwise, basically, as a nail depresses, there's a little head in there. It's going to hammer it down. And so we're going to start off by connecting our hose, just like we would on any other pneumatic tool or nailer. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18-volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. And so there's that guy, and then there is a little handle here that you can put your hand under as you use it. And just to show you on these guys here, here's a couple nails that need to be hammered the rest of the way down. And there it is, guys. Simple as that. Really neat tool. Really fun to use if you've never used it before. And so that is the pneumatic Ridgid palm nailer, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're giving this kit away to a subscriber at the end of February. And so we look forward to you guys subscribing, and thanks for watching. Take care.